An influencer earning $10,000 per post, millions of followers, luxury brand deals. Now here's the twist. She doesn't exist. Her name is Aitana López. She's flawless, charming, always online, because she's not human. She's an AI-generated influencer created by a Spanish agency, and she's just one of dozens replacing real people across the internet. Quietly, perfectly, and without anyone noticing. Today, we're diving into the strange world where humans and machines blur, where deepfakes become celebrities and digital clones are the new influencers. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your feed the same way again. So what exactly is an AI clone? Think of it as a virtual human, a digital face, voice, and personality built by AI. These virtual influencers post on Instagram, model for brands, and interact with fans. Except they don't eat, sleep, or age, and they never say the wrong thing. Shudu Gram, Lil Miquela, and Aitana López are real examples. Digital personas earning thousands from top brands like Dior, Prada, and Samsung. Why are companies obsessed? Because these clones are controllable. No scandals, no contracts, no bad lighting, just perfect content 24/7. Here's where it gets creepy. Some real influencers have been quietly replaced by their own digital doubles. Brands use motion capture, deep fake models, and AI voices to recreate a person entirely, then keep posting under their name. The result? More content, lower costs, zero complaints. And audiences rarely notice. It's already happening in music, advertising, and even politics. A virtual clone can now perform live concerts, read scripts, even give interviews, all AI generated. So, how do they do it? Step 1. Visual generation. AI models like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion build photoreal faces from scratch. Step 2. Motion and expression. Tools like Unreal Engine, MetaHuman, or Deepfake networks animate those faces realistically. Step 3. Voice synthesis. Platforms like 11 Labs clone human voices, down to emotion and tone. Step 4. Automation. AI schedulers post, comment, and reply, giving the illusion of real-time interaction. The result? A perfectly optimized human simulation, impossible to distinguish from the real thing. Now, let's talk danger. When your favorite influencer might be synthetic, what happens to trust? These clones can manipulate emotion, spread misinformation, or endorse products without accountability. And legally, it's a gray zone. Who owns a digital face? What if someone deepfakes you into an ad you never agreed to? AI has democratized creation, but also deception. So how can you tell if someone's real? Watch for overly perfect skin or lighting posts at all hours with no fatigue, robotic engagement or identical captions missing behind-the-scenes moments. If it feels too perfect, it probably is. A study found most humans can't reliably detect deepfakes, meaning you're likely trusting AI every single day. AI clones are here to stay. Soon, your favorite model, musician, or news anchor could be entirely synthetic. But this isn't just about technology. It's about trust. When everything looks real, truth becomes a choice. So next time you scroll through your feed, ask yourself, who am I really watching? Because one day, it won't just be influencers. It could be your coworker, your favorite actor, or even you. This is Techie Tickle. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay human.